In today's video, we are going to be making a healthy breadfruit watermelon smoothie. Why wasting your time buying protein powder when you can actually use your breadfruit as a protein powder? Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. Today's video is all about watermelon, strawberry and breadfruit smoothie. This is breadfruit, which is also known as Ukwa in Igbo language in Nigeria. People eat this like this, making use of coconut. So we are going to be blending it to add it to our smoothie, which will serve as shake powder. Stay tuned and watch me do this. First and foremost, I'm going to be slicing the watermelon to take the quantity I want to make use of. Kindly cut and peel out the back of the watermelon. The seed of this watermelon is going to be included. You are only removing the greener part of it. As you can see, I'm taking out the greener part and leaving the whiter skin. This whiter skin and the watermelon seed helps you to burn belly fat. Are you bothered about your belly fat? Or are you bothered about what you can eat in order to keep you going for the next 5 to 6 hours? Try this watermelon smoothie with breadfruit as a protein powder. It will get you filled up for the next 5 to 6 hours. I'll be blending the breadfruit seed, which is also known as Ukwa. Yes, I'm going to blend it into powder because it's going to serve as a protein powder for us. For those who are allergic to protein powder and they really want to get rid of their fats, kindly try this method. It will help you. Breadfruit provides a number of health-boosting vitamins and minerals. I'm going to be dropping a link that will show you how you can actually fry the breadfruit by yourself. Breadfruit is a good source of potassium, providing 23% of your daily needs and other minerals. It also contains vitamin E and K. After I must have added the watermelon and the strawberry, I just added the breadfruit powder, which serves as a protein powder. Watermelon is rich in an amino acid called citrulline that may help move blood through your body and can lower your blood pressure. You are expected to take this first thing in the morning. It will keep you full till you are ready to eat in the afternoon. The breadfruit powder is very important for our health. Some people like to eat the seed just like that, but you can also add it to your meal or to your children's meal. So much for watching, and please do give it a trial. Check out my video on how to fry breadfruits. Thank you.